No, this isn't permanent. This is just for mocking up.
Yeah.
He wants them excessively big. Well, we're back messing around with the chopper. Hey, everybody. We're gonna hammer this wheel back on here real quick, and then we're gonna put the motor up there. And
I'm gonna try and make an exhaust. I don't know. What are you doing? Finish welding?
I don't know.
I'm gonna attempt to make an exhaust.
Rat-a-tat-tat.
See how that goes.
Well, I'll try to get the chain to line up with where the motor is going to be and the sprocket and etc. Do we have the sprocket available? Yeah.
Are you gonna put the brake on the sprocket?
Mmm.
Did we decide that?
Mmm.
It might work. Kill two birds with one stone.
It just might work. I think we want the small one, didn't we?
Yes.
Well, I don't know if that'll work or not. Because we have room for a chain and a caliper. I don't know.
How big's the caliper?
What are you looking for?
This is your question.
It's over there. Oh, yeah.
Only problem is you have nothing to mount to.
The sprocket?
This caliper cannot be mounted to the sprocket.
Oh, it mounts.
It's gonna spin.
Mounts to the frame.
Yeah.
Yeah, because then couldn't you just build something off the sprocket?
I can just drill 4 holes in the sprocket and bolt it through the sprocket with a spacer.
Yeah. Yep.
But we have
how
to
are you
make
gonna
sure
mount
that
the caliper?
chain to the frame.
But I know. But
Well,
how are you gonna mount the
I'll
caliper?
let you know when I do it. A little bit. Gonna have to take the whole tire off and then put it back together. Hello, Governor. Hey, how are ya? Okay, I'm gonna reach in there and zap it. Watch your eyeballs. Is it straight and square?
No, it ain't straight.
Guide me.
That's not straight.
Really?
Oh, that looks pretty good. Got it?
Yeah.
Look at your eye.
I can see it's the chain. So, and the chain looks like it does.
Oh yeah, chain.
Yeah.
I mean, the chain is.
What's wrong
Give
with
her
the
a
chain?
little clockwise turn, just like that, Ryan. Hold the pressure. Hold the pressure. Okay. Watch your fingies.
Oh.
Oh, darn it.
Gosh darn it.
Good. I'm ready.
Yeah. Oh, now you should be able to do a little.
Yeah, how's that?
Now what we do is we.
How that exhaust look, though?
Oh, we look fine. Oh, what happened there?
Yeah, guys.
It's not straight.
It's very straight. It's about as straight as a circle.
Well, that must have been the heat because I was holding it straight.
Just got to do one of these.
Oh,
Right on the disc brake.
Discotet and honky tonks.
this
Whoop! There it is.
broke it.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Well, might not work. Got the welds on the outside, I guess. I don't know how else to do it.
Seems like a good way to do it. I concur.
Yeah?
Cover your
I need my
eyes,
dirt.
too.
It's my help. set up that welder.
I didn't touch it, governor.
Like you should have.
I should set this up. Okay, right there's where my tack's at. So that's gonna come out right there. And right there.
Give it a real spin.
You know, no.
This is not instant gratification. I don't like that.
I know, we're running out of time too. You got 10 whole minutes.
Pressure's on.
The pressure's on, it looks like.
Take your time, you got 10 minutes.
What am I taking my time for?
Getting it right. What do we think of the exhaust, guys?
Looks good.
Thought that was gonna be way harder than it was, and I actually really like how it's turning out. I'm gonna run the other one. We're gonna do a little bend out and maybe like a swoosh, kind of give it a little pizzazz. Huh? Pizzazz,
You
right?
gonna cook a pizza on it? A
A pizzazz.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Then I'm gonna bring this one out. It's gonna go right out. I'm gonna go like get like bigger pipe or something out here, and then I'm gonna put the other one out and kind of like go on top, so it's like a shotgun.
That'll be swell.
Like a,
I think that'll fly. What do you think? Do it.
oh yeah, you got her about perfect, about as perfect as it's gonna get.
Okay, let me put a couple of tacks on there since we're going into my freaking dirt.
Sand it. Sand it.
Might be okay as long as it never
Oh, she'll never get used. Haha.
Okay, so to show everybody at home here. Hit the brakes. Okay. And then.
And then.
Nobody started my truck, huh?
I don't know where your truck is.
It's all parked. It's parked out in the
Boonies.
south.
There. Just like down.
Dang, that's a slick mounting point right there.
Told you.
That's how we like to roll.
We, Ryan?
I'll be right back. Tell everybody what we did, Ryan. And,
Well-
and Riley and Eli.
Well,
I did nothing.
I did the exhaust. I like the exhaust.
I built these beautiful, perfectly machined spacers. And we took the my Alzheimer's just kicked in.
Axle pipe or
The sprocket.
sprocket? Oh, yeah.
The sprocket. And we centered it on the pipe, drilled holes, put bolts in, and then we centered the brake rotor around the shaft pipe also, and then you have these awesome spacers to put it right there. These spacers are 1 1/16". Perfectly.
Wow. I worked on the exhaust. I started off with this right here, and then I had to figure out a way to get a nice tight 90-degree bend up there, and then the bottom bolt's not in, but I made it match this torque converter plate angle, and then I did my very best at this bend.
Well, you
It's
did
kind of
well,
got a little like a little elbow there, but I also purposely definitely kicked it out right there.
You look good.
And then I'm gonna bend her out again, bend it up a little bit, and just shoot it out the side right here. 2 of them.
Check. My microphone on?
Check 2.
So yeah, that's what we did.
Sick. Yeah, looks good, huh? Should
Yeah,
work.
looks
I
great.
never use it.
Oh yeah, that's right. We also found the bolts for the torque converter, and that's mounted.
Check 2. Check
So.
2.
Yeah,
Should work, huh?
that's the end, right?
Yeah, the end.
That's
Thanks
it.
for stopping by.
Check
Yeah,
2.
we'll see you next week
Check
with probably the
2.
same thing. Maybe it'll be done.
Well, we got a lot done here, so
We did.
I think, yeah,
We gotta figure this out, and we gotta do a couple more things. Gotta mount the motor. Gotta get the key figured out, all the wiring and stuff, fuel system.
Some welds,
Yeah,
yeah, a few things.
seat mount, handlebars, and then I think she should be buttoned up.
This is really getting stressful.
I think we're past the hard part, Ryan.
Oh,
yeah, I think this was the hard part.
Yeah.
anxiety's building with that list.
You should get like a little, you should get a golf cart.
You're not the only one with the Alzheimer's, Ryan.
Cut a circular hole.
A hubcap?
And then
You
cut a
get to be
hole in.
my age.
A hubcap?
Yeah, they make hubcaps for
They make hubcaps.
hubcap.
They make hubcaps.
Little baby.
Yeah, hubcap card, yeah, for your golf cart.
Hubcap.
Really?
Yeah, you get a little baby mover.
Yeah, that looks
drill a
pretty
hole in
good.
the center.
I haven't had a chance to step back and take a peek, see. You know?
What do you think of the exhaust? It's my favorite
Oh,
part.
it's
I like
fantastic.
exhaust.
Really. You really set it on fire, man. You did good.
What are you gonna do? Like that's it?
No, I'm gonna, I guess you weren't in here when I explained it.
Bummer. How
But, okay,
Oh yeah.
and I'll save the fishtail for something else. What do you think? I kicked it out on purpose, but I did it all at once, an accident.
Sure.
I meant to do that, I swear.
Well, I think this is gonna work. Huh?
Yeah. This looked like less of a nightmare than I had imagined.
Yeah, it actually worked out really well because then you don't have to figure out.
Yeah, then we don't have to dink around to this side because the rim still has to come off.
From this way.
It bolts onto that plate, so the rim has to come off to change the tire or whatnot.
Yeah, I love it. Looking good. Can't wait to rip it around
Pretty slick.
in the snow.
Ripper.
She is gonna be a ripper. You gonna ride it, Ryan?
I don't know. Probably.
You better. All right, see you later.
All right, yeah. Thanks for stopping by.
Come again. Thank you.
Hey, if you haven't yet, hit that like, subscribe, share with your friends.
And your
See you
grandma.
guys next week.
And your grandma. Meemaw.
Oh, me, ma.
Goodbye. I love you.
Okay, I stopped it.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I know better.
No, I stopped it.
I know better.
Check.
No.
We'll put a pin right into there.
Better.
Yeah.
I just wondered, I was curious if this was the same
Okay, I
size
stopped
as
it now.
that, you know?
No, you didn't.